What are the 7 C's of crypto? Concealed, corrupt, crooks, criminals, conmen, carnival barkers, and finally CZ, who's just on the stage right now. I was supposed to debate him a year ago here in the UAE. At the last moment, he decided to escape.
Hello everybody, thank you for joining in. I hope you have a wonderful day. And today I want to share my thoughts on Binance and where it might be heading in the near future. So after this FTX disaster, I've done some research and I know many think Binance is too big to fail. But yeah, probably people said that about FTX before and they failed as well. And I have reason to believe that Binance will go down just as FTX did. So remember, this market, there's no supply and demand. This is just working off an algorithm. And when things seem to go wrong, when crashes occur, there needs to be a scapegoat. And last time it was Sam Bankman-Fried. And this guy apparently was the winner in this transaction. So Binance has seen an increase in trading volume and probably users as well. But they have lots of allegations for money laundering and other things happening under the surface. And I have an interesting video to share that I will link in the description that goes into depth about the allegations against CZ and Binance. And I'm here to supplement this with technical analysis. So yeah, the charts show everything in advance. That's how I see it. And let's see how this unfolds. So let's jump into my analysis. And this is the 1 month chart on BNB in log scale. And there's the thing that really pisses me off. No, it really bothers me as a technical analyst, and this is that green candle here. So we don't have any price action before this huge breakout, and we don't have any back tests ever since, when every other major coin or token is basically back testing their prior all-time highs. With BNB we're way off, so going to the prior all-time high would be pretty much, well, almost a 90% correction from here. This is insane. So we don't get this with BTC. All those gaps are being filled. We're trading around the range of the prior all-time high. Also with Ethereum, those gaps are filled pretty much at the prior all-time high. This looks like a healthy chart to me. So yeah, and I mean, there might be huge gaps during the previous bull runs here for Ethereum, or also for BNB or for BTC. I mean, this price just shot through and never came back. And this doesn't mean we will backtest these levels here. I mean, we have to remember there were no futures around here. So basically the only way to make money in crypto was to push price higher, and that's what they did. But yeah, ever since futures were introduced, I think it's gotten more complicated now. So yeah, with this scam crash here, we swiped all those long term for value gaps here. And guess when futures for Bitcoin were introduced? Well, this is the futures chart on Binance in just a couple of months before the scam crash. Yeah, they put up those futures, and with BNB it was even the month before, so I don't know, this looks so shady, so sinister to me. This is crazy. And yeah, even with BNB, they swiped those levels perfectly, and this provided the perfect setup for a move higher, and that's what we got. So this is another chart that bothers me. So this is the green candle that we've seen before, and this is the BNB Bitcoin chart. And this huge green candle brought us from this low here all the way to all-time highs and beyond. And recently we've seen this massive uptrend against Bitcoin, and this is just not what a chart should look like. I mean, this looks like manipulation to the upside to me. This does not look like it's gonna keep on for much longer. So yeah, I mean, I see us leaving this trend line here and coming all the way back to this huge area here that has not been back tested here or on the US dollar chart. So here's another chart that looks very similar to me, and guess what, it's a FTX token, FTT. And just like with BNB, we have these huge green monthly candles with no backtest whatsoever in this area, no trading area around these prices before, barely any bearish price action from the outset. So yeah, we only got a new lower low here in June, and this just barely took out this low here, just like with BNB. Just barely took out this one when everything was down 95%, so the altcoins, and this was only down around 76% from the all-time high. Also with BNB, we're down pretty much 73% in June. So I think it's holding up too well, and we see here where this can lead to. So yeah, we had this taking out of this low here, and let's look at the bi-weekly, and then this failed attempt to make a new high, and we barely even back tested this prior trading area here, so just back tested this week, and from here on out it was just gathering some exit liquidity for this event that we're all so familiar with that just occurred. And well, that's exactly what I see on the Binance chart as well. So we took out these lows, then we have this rally to the upside, back tested this upper area of the channel twice. Failed attempt at breaking this high here. So we have a lower high structure and a massively bearish engulfing candle. So yeah, pretty much I see us gathering some exit liquidity here. That's where we are, I guess. And of course, this is not financial advice, but I would be very careful trading this, especially to the upside, as I said. And yeah, I would not be holding any of this anymore. But that's just my opinion. Let me know if you can frame this bullish in any way, or if there's something I'm missing. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. And I will come up with a new video very soon. So looking forward to seeing you there.
We'll see what happens. We'll know in a very short period of time, but it looks like it could be something that will be not good. Believe me, not good.